Hi everyone, today we want to talk about the casing design principle. The content of this about the first is data collection, factor influence casing design criteria, design factor, not code for individual casing string, and software. Criteria for casing design is first is safety, and second is economically. Data collection is very important for the casing design. First is bore pressure and fracture. This is very important when you design casing. The red line here is about the bore pressure prediction, and the blue line here is about the fracture pressure. All the data is referred from object well, and they are prediction by from the logging data, and it's supplied by ZNZ. The second is about the mud weight. Mud weight is this line here, green line here is mud weight designed for the well. This mud weight is designed based on the bore pressure and fracture pressure. The safety margins about the bore pressure plus 0.3 ppg or 200 psi. Mud weight is normally for the over balance it's less than fracture and more than the bore pressure. The third is about the formation temperature. This red line is temperature by the depth. Here it also refers to object well, prediction from logging data, and it's supplies ZNZ. The casing sheet. Here we have 13 casing, so 24 casing, so and 18 5 casing, so we have so depth. It design refer to the object well, meet the quick tolerance requirement, and refer to casing sheet selection principle for choose casing sheets. The casing specification, the data we are mentioned about here is bird collapse, tension, casing weight, OD, ID. Here is weight, casing weight, right? Casing size, OD. We have here collapse pressure and internal use pressure, that means bird pressure. By body use strength, that means the tension of by. Okay, we can go in the website WAM service to download the casing specification. Well, other data is the casing available in stock, water depth, performance drone, oil gas drone depth, bucker depth, formation try oil gas water. The factor influence the casing chain. Loading condition is during losses, gas gauge, during production, tubing leak, pressure drawdown, shoe strength is like of feed. The casing, about the casing, degree of deterioration by entire line of the well is called corrosion, wear, temperature, the variable of the casing, the cost, the effect to the design factor, casing specification, that means more higher design factor, higher casing specification is more, that means more cost. Design criteria we mentioned here about the collapse, burst, and tension. Collapse principle pressure out here, minus pressure in here, that means pressure collapse. If pressure collapse more than collapse strength, casing collapse strength, that means collapse. Pressure inside it, here inside the casing, it about maybe the mud or seawater or gas. Outside it may be mud, seawater, or bore pressure, or cement water mix. Load key. Some load key here passes load by tip zone. Here the tip zone, the mud level is dropped down because the loss is in the tip zone. The mud level drop stopping when the mud pressure equal to bore pressure is a tip zone. This L is length of here, L here we determined by equator here. Casing there multiply pressure tip zone divide 0.052 divide the mud weight. Full aggregation, that means 100% casing empty, mud load in the tip zone, but the mud level drop below the casing shoe. The same before the mud load stop when the pressure by mud equal to pressure of tip zone. Here is before mud not circulation and after not circulation here. Continue full aggregation, casing empty when the tubing leak at the bucker in production well and fluid being evacuated through the tubing by ventilated. Here we assume the tubing leak in the bucker here. When gas flow inside its fluid in annulus, it come together with gas and come to surface, and at when at that time is on the casing in on the annulus here is empty in the gas. Full aggregation continue the plug perforate zone in the gas producing well. That means during producing gas coming up, but unlucky we have a block area here, the gas cannot come in, and in surface still open. That means on the inside the casing here, casing tubing here is air. The same situation about the full evaporation. The full evaporation is empty when running casing. That means the casing running, you have the float with back pressure. When you run down, mud cannot come inside the casing. If driller forgot to fill up fluid, that means all casing is empty. Just assumably. The full ignition is when producing oil by gas slip. That means here is production casing. When you produce by gas slip, we have gas slip settle in bottom. When you pump down and to inside the tubing, and oil and gas coming up. When you stop inject the gas in here, that means all in another here is gas is empty, the same empty. Full equalization continue is complete load of fluid due to gas blowout, which subsequently subside. That means during blowout, all the gas, the first time is very strong gas coming in the well and blow out. After a long time, the gas here is with low energy and maybe stop or very low flow. That means all the casing here is gas with very low pressure, the same empty. But principle, pressure in, minus pressure out, that means pressure bird. If pressure more than bird strength, is bird boom. The fluid affect the pressure inside the casing about the mud, gas, oil or water. Surface pressure apply reasonable casing test on surface turbine. The outside we maybe have mud, bore pressure and cement water mix. Note K, interlow pressure we have mentioned here about the unlimited kick. That means gas from the reservoir and deflate full well, gas to surface. For exploration well, we assume gas from lake section TD, maximum pore pressure here about equivalent with blood 0.5 or 1 kick intensity. For production well, max pressure, we assume max bore pressure equals the bore pressure estimated blood 0.5 to 1 ppg. Here is when drill lake section, we have kick. For any reason, when all the gas deplete on the well and we close the BUP. The second situation in terms of limited kick, that means we assume a zero kick or kick tolerance and calculate interlow pressure when kick is circulated out by driller method. Here, when drill lake section, we have bore pressure here. When we have kick, gas kick inside, we have to circulate out the kick. So we have to calculate interlow pressure and outside external pressure. Beyond the casing side on the drilling section, we can assume kick tolerance from the 50 to 150 barrel. The second note case is about the casing pressure test. When we run casing, we can cement. Here we can we apply pressure on the surface to test casing. For ICMOD, subsea ICMOD 3 well, we have situation about the annular pressure build up. When we producing oil and gas, the temperature increase and go to surface because the annular one here is contact the tubing, so temperature compression fluid increase. Okay, and second zone here in annular, number 2 here, and contact with annular number 1, so it increase as well because here it's isolate 100% isolate. So when temperature increase, it cause pressure increase. When temperature in annular to increase, but that cannot delete pressure, that means it may be caught intermediate casing it burst and maybe collapse the production casing here. Pressure, we have look here. We for this casing, the effect of pressure effect by merge from surface to top of cement, and here the cement column. The area A, we calculate pressure by cement mixed water, and from shoe to bread shoe to shoe here, we calculate by bore pressure. The main reason we not using cement column for calculate pressure because we not sure a continuous cement sheet around casing, and maybe any mud chip within casing here, and cement shell is usually highly porous, little permeability, and it can change formation pressure inside to the casing here. Tension determined by weight of casing in air, buoyant force, buoyancy force, bending force in divided well, drag force in divided well, pressure testing force, shock load due to a resting casing in slip. Here's tension casing immersed. Weight of casing immersed equal weight on casing in air multiplied by buoyant factor. The buoyant factor is we can calculate by this equator in weight, mass weight in the BBG. Casing pressure test. When we apply pressure test in the surface, that means we apply pressure test on the shoe. This shoe is we have barrier here, so that's why when apply pressure here, it make the force, the tension force in the bottom. Drag force open. Drag force reduce casing force when it done in hole, and increase them when pull out hole. This usually assume when you calculate about the 100 100,000 pounds or more. Shock load in sleep. It zero when suddenly deceleration applies. Kissing is pick up the sleep kick in while bar is moving. This calculator for calculate shock loads. Design factor is equal to the rate of by divide maximum expected service load. Design factor for bird equal bird strength divide bird pressure. For collapse equal collapse strength divide collapse pressure. In which bird strength we can take from casing specification sheet. Bird pressure, that value you calculated maximum expected bird load along the casing string. Recommended design factor. Normally the collapse is minimum design factor 1/0, bird 1/1, tension 1/6 to 1/8, compression 1/0, chassis design 1/1. And industry range from various operator as below. For BVN guideline, design factor minimum requirement is for bird 1/1 to 1/25, collapse 1 to 1/1, tension 1/3 to 1/6 for SP80 well, compression 1 to 1/4. Child CO 1/2 to 1/3. Section 5 load case for individual casing string. This one for different. Now we study about the well diagram for dry tree. We have 4 casing string: surface casing, intermediate casing, production casing, and production liner. Here is tubing. Here on note K for the when you calculate surface casing string include 5 loads: install load or cementing. This for collapse. Inside internal pressure profile is by running mud weight column. External pressure profile by seawater and cement slurry. Full evaluation. This for collapse. Internal pressure profile is 0, and external pressure profile is by seawater and running mud weight. Deployment to gas that make bird. Internal pressure profile by gas, full gas column with bottom hole pressure at bottom. External pressure profile by seawater and bore pressure. Pressure test is make bird. It's surface pressure test and casing test and running mud weight column. External pressure profile by seawater and bore pressure. Gas replacement with shoe fracture pressure at limited. That means pressure at shoe with gas gradient upward. This make bird as well. Internal pressure profile by surface pressure, gas column, and drilling mud column with bottom hole pressure equal 0.052 multiply drill hole, drill string open hole depth, multiply drilling mud, and we assume fracture pressure at the shoe around 16 ppg example. And external pressure profile is by seawater and bore pressure. It's hot flowing temperature profile. Here the one by one. Full gas deployment. That means on the well we drill the light section with the gas reservoir on the bottom, and when you click and the gas deployed on the well, and we close the bulb. So on inside the well we have gas and pore pressure. Outside we have 3 points to calculate: on surface, on the seabed, and on the shore. Pressure inside by gas and surface pressure set in casing pressure. Outside we have seawater and pore pressure along the casing. The casing pressure test, we apply casing pressure test on the surface. Inside drill by inside casing is full of mud. Outside casing we have seawater and pore pressure. We calculate 3.1 through 3. Why we calculate 3? Because something changed the fluid. We must calculate. Example, from surface to seabed, seawater. From seabed to shore we have formation. The mud losses, we drill light section, we have tip drone, and mud level drop below the shore. That's full evacuation. Inside casing is on air. Outside casing as well is seawater and mud column. Full gas deployment limited by fracture pressure at the shore. That means we on the well here is gas, one gas as well, and the gas got in the well from the reservoir in the well, and above here is gas, here is mud. So pressure inside casing at the shore equal the length of that. Okay. The outside casing is seawater and formation. Cementing. Inside casing is mud, and outside casing we have seawater and lead slurry and tail slurry. We adjust K, we calculate 4.1 surface, 2 is seabed when the change the mud weight, and the third is top of tail when the change the fluid slurry, and the last is to casing shoe. Bird calculation. To example for the calculation the bird with full gas deployment. As mentioned above, we calculate 3 points: sea surface, seabed, and shore. We have calculated pressure inside, pressure outside. Pressure outside is at surface 0. At seabed equal the seawater hydraulic column, and at shore it equal the seawater blood formation. Pressure inside, we have gas set in casing pressure. At the surface, at the seabed, we have set in pore pressure minus the pressure gas column from the seabed to the reservoir. At the shore, pressure inside the shore, equal pressure at the reservoir minus the pressure column got from reservoir to the sewer. Pressure bird at the surface equal pressure surface inside. Pressure bird at the seabed equal pressure seabed inside minus pressure seabed outside. Pressure bird at sewer equal pressure inside minus pressure outside. This one is how calculate the collapse with the full evaluation. The same, we have 3 buoys to calculate at depth surface, at depth the seabed, and depth the shore. We calculate seabed pressure outside. Outside here is 0, but outside at the seabed equal the water hydrostatic, and pressure at sea outside equal the pressure by seawater blood pressure in mud. Pressure inside only is air, that means by equal to 0. So pressure collapse at the surface equal 0, at the seabed equal the pressure seabed outside, and pressure collapse at sea equal pressure outside at sea. After calculate, we draw the chart with here seabed, surface, seabed, and sea. This red line is collapse. Okay, and this line is bird line. For the casing grade L80, bird channel here and collapse channel here, and on is higher than the calculated, so that means meet requirement. But the casing grade K55 is bird channel here, so it's less than calculated, so this one it fail, cannot run. Intermediate casing, we have the same, the surface casing, we have many loss case, including cementing, 1.5 evacuation, pressure test, 150 parallel gas cage, 1/3 gas replacement, 1/3 gas replacement, total loss kept full with seawater, 1.5 gas replacement, circulating here static, and gas replacement with sewer fracture pressure limits. So here we interlow pressure profile, and here external profile, and this temperature profile. Some remark here, we have got gradient it 0.15 psi per feet. It's normally some operator if the depth reservoir depth more than 3000, gradient 1.5 0.15 psi per feet. If less than 3000 meter, gradient is equal to 0.1 psi per feet. Got 1.5 watt gas replacement. This reservoir gas reservoir in the lake section with gas cage and we close the PUB and 1.5 gat inside the casing. So on the casing, we internal pressure profile includes the gas column and mud column. Outside we have mud outside from surface to top of cement, and top of cement to shoe we use by cement mixed water, and from shoe to the from private shoe to the shoe we use the formation fluid to calculate the hydraulic. 1.5 evacuation, the same. We have inside, we have air here and mud, and outside we have full K is mud outside. So 3 boy to calculate surface in the gas and mud boy here and the shoe. Production casing string, this load K into load is cementing, full evacuation static, total load, keep full with water, pressure test, gas full gas deployment, and surface tubing. Which surface tubing is but when the DT or production. So we have set in pressure plus bucket fluid hydraulic column, example 11.3, and external pressure profile is running mud weight column, and cement mixed water, example 8.6, and bore pressure. Here is number example only. This tubing surface tubing when we DT we are or production, we set bucket here, run tubing, set bucket, and flow the gas. So but the surface tubing leak at the surface we have pressure apply on the annulus. So that's why inside casing, production casing here, we add the surface pressure. The outside casing here, we pressure external pressure profile by merge, by cement here, cement mixed water, and formation fluid. Full gas replacement here, inside full of gas, BUB close, and outside with mud column and cement mud mixed water and formation. Production liner, the same. We have some load K install load, total load, full evacuation, YDT, full gas replacement, pressure test, and surface tubing. Here is internal pressure profile, here external pressure profile, and temperature profile here. Production casing for subsea wellhead well using the wellhead software. We have here's load K, running hole, overpull, cementing, green cement test, pressure test casing, different to gas. Here internal pressure, here external pressure. The number here is example. More for gas cage zero fracture gradient, and loss return with mud drop, not return with water, full evacuation, drill head, 96-hour Olympian well test hot tubing, cold filo circulation, and dryer disc collection. So 16 load K. Oh, very many and here we define the internal browser profile and external browser profile. Software, we can use ChatChat or Webcast. Here is for one software, it tubular design is very old. We run is many load case. Okay, 1 to load 9. We have one load case here and here. So all the load case inside the circle, inside the rectangle, that's okay. If outside, it's not okay. Okay. We can design casing by Excel, by yourself, and we put every data, input data here, casing depth, casing width, bore pressure, mud width, water depth, and leg section, bore pressure, fracture, pressure test, casing diameter, maximum collapse low, maximum burst collapse of casing specification, and this load casing assume half evacuation fluid, casing fully evacuation fluid. We have some internal pressure calculation, internal calculation, acting internal pressure here, and we calculate on here, and after that we have calculated here, and we have a safety factor here for bird. The same for the tension. We win after many number calculation here. We calculate the safety factor 1/7. We assume the summary result here. We have collapse design factor number here. So there is this company requirement 1.1, 1.3. This the result you calculate. So here you see the full accuracy is 0.85, less than 1, so this one is not okay. So if not okay, you have to choose the larger casing with the collapse value is more than 4,760 psi. Here is the result table from the software. We have conductor casing, interior casing, production liner, production casing. We have this is casing IOD weight and grade. So minimum factor, safety factor here, the value here is more than 1 okay, 1 okay. So production casing we have can use the 2 type of casing. Is top we use B10, and on bottom we use L80 to shape the code. The same here, we use on the top we use L80, on bottom we use B10. Here is the collapse chart, bird chart. So after we calculate, we draw the chart here. Each collapse line, draw the bird line. So we use the casing K55 collapse here, and bird section beyond here, bird and collapse. That means from depth here we can use L80, okay, L80. So from depth here to depth here, we can use K50 to save code K55 or L80. That means all casing is less more than the value here. We can choose. Okay. Thank you very much. And remember to subscribe for more video. Thank you.